I'm making Nerf War Part 3, and you are going to love this because it's doing something to my brother. Yeah, it's doing something to my brother, so you'll like this. Because he's hidden my yellow Nerf gun somewhere, and I want to find it. Come here now, Declan! Get in, watch. Get down! No! Mum ain't gonna find out about this, alright? Please don't shoot me. I will! If you don't show me where the yellow Nerf gun is! Okay. I will show you where it is. It's where it is. Tell me where it is now. Okay. Take me to it. No. Alright, don't run! You! Show me where it is. No! Show me where it is.
No. Okay. It's here.
You give me that Nerf gun now.
No.
You give it. You give it. You do. There's not even a... I'll give you the Nerf gun. I will kick you again. Oh no, darn it. Got both of them. Yes. I got him down right. Take that, sucker. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave in the comments down below what you think I should do in there for part 4. So, bye. He's done!